Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm gonna create the Christmas look part 2. If you haven't watched Christmas look part 1, go have a look there also and let's jump into the video. So the first thing is that I'm gonna prep my face. So for prepping my face I'm gonna use toner. So for toner I'm gonna use the Mama Earth face toner. It contains vitamin C, which is good for your skin and pores. But also before that, you have to sanitize or wash your hands before applying anything on your face, because there must be germs or like just a bit of dust also on your hands, and if you apply it on your face, it will like spoil your skin. You will get acne, pimples and all. So that's why, for avoiding such things, you have to wash your hands or apply sanitizer. For toner, I'm going to use the Mama Earth Vitamin C toner. Next, I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It is really nice for oily skin type. Then I'm gonna apply the under eye cream so that my under eyes are not dried after applying concealer and all. Then I'm gonna apply the inside primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Fitme foundation with the shade 220 Natural Beige, and I'm going to mix it with my sunscreen, the Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture Sunscreen. I'm going to mix it and apply it. Next, I'm gonna apply the makeup fixer on the beauty sponge to wet it. If you wet it and apply it, you will see amazing results. For concealer, I'm going to apply the Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 02, and I'm going to show you one trick. If you need like a little bit lifted cheek side, like the cheekbone side, then you have to make a triangle under your eyes, this way. This way the part of your cheek will look a little bit lifted. Next I'm gonna do is the eyebrows. Filling your eyebrows is must because it changes the whole makeup look. So yeah, even if you want to brush them, just brush them, but do something to your eyebrows so that your makeup will look nice. Now it's gonna be the toughest part. I'm gonna apply liner this way, which I have never applied. Like I had tried once but I failed. So yeah, I'm gonna try it again and let's see. If you are unsure about how to start it, open your eyes and see where your eyes are like ending. you have to make the line above it, because if you apply it on that only, then it's gonna like mix it with each other. So not that up, but like just a little bit up. It's the first time in my life I did it so well. I don't know how. Yeah. I'm making it a bit thick because thick looks good. And see, I've spread it a bit. We'll remove the spreaded part at the last, because that's not the only thing I am gonna do wrong. It's a little bit spread, I'm gonna remove it. Don't look at that. The toughest part is to make both of them look equal. Like, it's impossible, like, so tough. There's a little bit of difference, but okay, I'm gonna ignore it. This one is so thick and this one is so thin. Why? I'm gonna redo it. After so many trials and errors, finally, I did it. I'm gonna use the white shade and fill it. Also, I forgot applying compact powder, but still we can apply it now also. So I'm gonna apply it. How can I forget it? Anyways. And it's actually better to apply it now, because if there are any fallouts, I can hide them. I'm gonna again do the eyeliner part, but at the end, because I need to dry it out. I need to keep it under the fan so that it is not spread out. So I'm gonna do it in the end. So if it looks a bit messy, please ignore it. Also, okay, next I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlighter under my, starting of my eyes. Okay, very little amount I'm gonna apply, because it looks very much bold, which I don't want. The next thing I'm gonna do is apply the white kajal under my eyes. Waterline. Yeah, the correct word is waterline. and then take some black kajal and apply it like below your lashes. Okay, so it's done, and next thing is to apply lipstick. So first I'm gonna apply a dark lipstick. It's from the Body Shop. I'm gonna create something different. Okay, and next I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. shimmer gloss on the top of it. So that was it for today, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.